Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Hollyland Lark M1. I picked this up for doing outdoor videos, some ice fishing, and vlogging. So, see what it has. Test here, I'm going to be not using the Hollyland at all. I'm just going to be using my iPhone. This is an iPhone 12, and this is just the regular audio pickup from it. And I'll walk down there and I'll just talk regularly with the traffic in the background from Stony Trail. It should kind of bog out the sound a bit, so we'll see what it sounds like. So this is the sound at about 20 feet away, just talking regularly. Sound, this is going to be the same test with the Hollyland Lark M1s plugged in. I'll go to 10 feet, 20 feet, and all the way back to the chicken coop again, and we'll see what the sound quality is like. So this is about 20 feet. I'm not sure how well this picks up with the sound from Stony Trail in the background. You can hear all the cars on the highway. This is at about 30 feet. Not sure if it's still picking up, but this is what the sound quality would be like. All the way back at the chicken coop, this is what the sound quality would be like. Turning the noise cancellation on. You can see by the green button there, the green light. And hopefully that's going to be blocking out the background sound from the highway. I'm going to go and do the same test at 20, 30 feet all the way at the chicken coop and turn around and then come back. This is tested about 20 feet. This is what it sounds like. Not sure if the background noise is being blocked out. This is at about 30 feet. And this is all the way at the back where the chickens are. Again, I'll turn it off while I'm out here. So now this is with the noise cancellation off. This is with the noise cancellation on. This is with the noise cancellation off. This is with the noise cancellation on. This is about 100 feet away. This is with the noise cancellation on. And this is with the noise cancellation off. This is with the noise cancellation on. This is with the noise cancellation off. Hundred 150 feet with the noise cancellation on. This is with the noise cancellation off. This is with the noise cancellation on. This is with the noise cancellation off. Me walking around, this is what it sounds like. I'm not really sure if it'll make any difference while I'm actually walking around and squatting through the mud here. If I try to do a little run, I don't know if you could hear my feet mushing around or if you could just hear my voice. This might give a good comparison to anyone who might be jogging or moving quickly. So far, guys, I could say I'm really happy with these Hollyland Lark M1s. I think this is a really great deal for the price. I picked these up for $140 off Amazon, and I'd recommend this system for anyone who's looking to create content and doesn't want to break the bank. Whether you're doing vlogging, you're going to be doing interviews, or creating outdoor content like me, this will give you 656 feet of transmission range. It comes with the 2 microphones for the dual recording, noise reduction system, volume control, and it'll provide over 20 hours of battery life if you have the charging case. I'd recommend purchasing this as a kit, as it comes with everything you need to start recording from your iPhone, your Android, or from your camera. And yeah, if you guys have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comments box below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.